Crush a banana and add these 2 ingredients. You will never cough again in your life. In brief moments, a written explanation. Our body always works perfectly, as long as we treat it in a good way. When something is not working, the body is responsible for making it notice, although many times we omit these symptoms. It is just at that moment when a great amount of illnesses in our body begin to develop by not attending to it in time. Going against what our body tells us is not a good idea, and precisely these indicators are a warning sign that we must strengthen our immune system. Therefore, we will give you the prescription of a remedy to always keep your immune system on alert. Remedy to keep your immune system on alert. This home remedy you can prepare several times a year, and best of all is that the ingredients can be easily obtained. Ingredients: 2 ripe bananas, 2 tablespoons of organic honey, 400 milliliters of water. Preparation method: 1. Place the water in a bowl and heat. 2. Peel the bananas and puree until pure. 3. Put the bananas in the hot water and mix with a wooden spoon. 4. Boil for 1 minute, remove from heat and allow to cool. 5. Before it cools completely, add honey and integrate well with the rest of the preparation. Divide the preparation into 2 equal parts and take one fasting in the morning and another in the middle of the afternoon. This preparation will not only relieve the itching and inflammation in your throat to help you eliminate the cough, but it will also raise your defenses to avoid that you infect diseases. The banana helps raise serotonin levels, something that will provide you with a safe sleep and a necessary rest, especially if you are suffering from cough at night and cannot sleep. If you have low defenses, you should avoid the following. Ignore the signals. The longer you go without taking any more action on the matter, the longer it takes to strengthen your immune system. Do not stop paying attention. Eating low and evil. A weakened immune system can make us fall into the misconception that we are sick and that it is due to food, so we make the bad decision to eat less or eat poorly. This is a big mistake since a weak immune system needs protein to strengthen itself. Eat raw food. The immune system can also be affected by the bacteria that can be found in raw food. Do not forget that cooking eliminates all kinds of undesirable organisms, so that eating meat, sushi, cold cuts and eggs in the form of mayonnaise can affect our immune system. Doing sport. No, this is not a contradiction. We know that the sport is good, but if we have a weak immune system, the body uses all its reserves to face the physical exercise, and this can lower our defenses. Do not hesitate to prepare this natural remedy to improve your